What's up, everybody? It's Clay here at Mallard Motors. Got a new truck on the lot I'm gonna talk to y'all about a little bit. But before I get started with that, I'm gonna remind everyone about the $100 credit challenge. Most of you guys already have heard what that whole thing is about. For those of you that still don't know, if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll talk a little bit more about that. What we got here is a 2015 model Ford F-150. It's a Lariat trim level, so it's pretty much loaded all the way out. Got fog lights on the front, tow hooks down there at the bottom. Really nice black color. Looks great when it's all shined up, but man, it's hard to keep clean. Got step rails on both sides, blinkers on your side mirrors. Got some really nice looking stock wheels on it, 20 inches. It's got a 5-liter V8 engine under the hood. It's also the FX4 off-road package, so it's going to have 4-wheel drive, towing package, all that. It's got the easy open tailgate on it. It's got a nice stock Ford brand bed liner back here. And then you've got your bed cover on top. Got lots of room in the back seat here. Really nice black leather interior. Plenty of leg room, and you've got the heavy duty floor mats already in there. Got your air vents for the back seat, and you got a couple of power outlets back here. Another neat feature on this truck is the Panoramic Sunroof up there. It goes all the way to the back seat. It does have keyless entry. Also has the keypad like most Fords do. I've got a Ford and I love my keypad. Never lock my keys in the truck again. You got power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Got power seats. The front 2 seats are heated and cooled. Again, you've got that panoramic sunroof up there. Really cool feature. This truck is push to start. It's got about 131,000 on the mileage. No check engine lights. Got all your controls for the steering wheel here. Cruise control, radio, and you got your hands-free calling. Speaking of hands-free, this does have Microsoft Sync, so you can hook up your phone via Bluetooth and set all that up. Got a nice touchscreen media center here. Got built-in navigation. Also have a backup camera on it. Got your dual climate control for the front, and then you got your cooled and your heated seats down there. Electronic differential. There's your trailer brake right there. And over here it's got a little switch where you can bring the pedals closer to you or move them further away. It's got the Power fold mirrors on the side. There's a lot of neat features in this truck, so many that I'm sure I'm probably forgetting about a couple of them. But the interior in this thing is just really, really nice. Looks great. So if you think you might be interested in this truck, and I mean, come on now, who wouldn't be? It's a real sharp looking newer model. But for real, if you're interested, we can definitely get you an approval on it, which brings me back to my point about the $100 credit challenge. We guarantee that we can get your credit approved for a vehicle loan. If we can't get you approved, we'll give you $100 in cash. Point of the matter here is you don't have anything to lose. If you've been wanting to get a new ride, but you've been kind of iffy on if you think your credit might get approved, we're here to prove you wrong. So come fill out a credit application and we'll go from there.